Okay, your first step is to read the directions. So this first one says find the sum. And number one, you have 367 and 377. Find the sum. So first, you want to take your piece of paper and you want to write the numbers. You want to make sure you write them the correct way. So I have 367 and I have 377. And it is telling me to find the sum. So I know that sum means to add. So I have to find the sum. So I have to add these up. So go ahead and do that. Pause it and then check your work. Okay, here we go. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I have to go ahead and put the 1, I have to regroup, put the 1 up here. 6 plus 1 is 7. Hey, I have another 7 plus 7 equals 14. Carry the 1. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 744. So now I could go back to my slide, click on number 1, and type in 744. Okay, number 2, find the sum. I'm going to let you do that one on your own. Now I'm going to look over here. It says find the difference. Okay, difference I know means subtraction. So I look at my digits. I have 328 and 757. So how am I going to line those up properly to find the difference? Well, I know that the highest number is going to be at the top. So I have 757. And my lower number is 328. So I want to make sure I write the correct numbers down. Otherwise, I'm going to get the wrong answer. 328. 328. And it says find the difference, not estimate, find. So I'm going to put a minus and just do my subtraction. I can't take 8 away from 7, so I go next door, borrow from the 5. So if I borrow 1, it turns into a 4, and I put my 1 right here. So that's 17. And you don't have many problems to do, so you want to make sure that you put your best effort and make sure you are correct by checking your work. So I'm going to go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 4 minus 2. I have the highest number already at the top, so 4 minus 2 is 2. And then 7 minus 3 is 4. So my answer is 429. So I go back, I click in number 2, and I type 429. You always want to make sure you do your work on another piece of paper so you can work through the problem and prove your answer. Actually, that is not for number 2. It is number 3. So number 3, 429. You're doing number 2 on your own, and I'd like you to do number 4 on your own. Okay, let's look at number 5. First, I have to read what it's saying. Asking me to do estimate the difference. Now I have 2 big math words here, estimate and difference. So estimate means to round, difference means to subtract. So I have 521 and 255. So 521, I know rounds to 500. So 500, and it says difference, I want to subtract, minus 255. Well, the 2 is in the hundreds column. I look next door. The 5 tells me to change it. So it is 500 minus 300. 0, 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So my answer to number 5 is 200. Okay, now I'm going to let you do number 6. And here is your next one, number 7. It says, estimate the sum. Well, I know estimate means to round and sum means to add. So 481 is rounded to 500, and 178 is rounded to 200. So now I can just add because it said sum, so I add. So I have 0, 0, 7. So number 7, the answer is 700. Okay, when you are finished, I'd like you to go ahead and turn it in.